Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Scratch, and we are going to make gravity. Before we continue, sorry for not posting videos this last month. Let's continue. First we're gonna put when games are clicked, we're gonna create a variable named gravity, or something else if you want. Then we're gonna put it to 0 at the beginning. Then put forever. Then put if else, not, touching floor, change gravity by 0.5, set gravity to, oh sorry, the change gravity must be to minus 0.5. I was saying 0.1. So now the gravity is going down. Now put change y by gravity. Now the cat falls down when you activate it. Change a little bit the settings if you want, because it's not always perfect. I'm gonna quickly put go to 0, 0. So now we can see the cat fall down each time. Let's add some jumping, because every good game needs that, right? Put if, key space pressed, and gravity equals, well, the speed that you set it when you touch the floor. Then add set gravity to, let's say, 10. Add change y by gravity. So I'm just gonna duplicate it. As you see, now you can jump, but it's a bit too high. Let's change it to 5. So now it jumps a good height, so I think we're finished. Please smash that subscribe button.